Hi guys, it's Kate from Sewcraft Cook. Today's tutorial is on how to use a loop turner. It's a handy little tool for turning out fabric cylinders for things like belts and ties and such. This is a loop turner. It's used to turn a tube of fabric or a cylinder out the right way. That might be in the case of making a belt or a tie, or perhaps the arms and legs of a doll or a toy. Take your loop turner and poke it through your cylinder. You get to the other end, latch the hook onto a piece of the fabric and pull it back through the cylinder. Just release the latch. And your tube is pulled back through the right way. Thanks for joining me. Now you know how to use a loop turner to turn out your cylinders.